Hi guys, this is the fifth time I'm doing this video. I'm trying to make it look perfect and trying to sound better, but whoa, I'm not making it sound any better again. Anyways, cybersecurity. I feel like there are more than 100 or 1,000 videos out there telling you how to start off cybersecurity and telling you how to get into the field of cybersecurity and telling you how you're supposed to learn this and that. I don't feel so. Yeah, just start somewhere, man. Start, pick up your phone. I started with Cisco skills for it's free, man, and they're gonna give you badges, right? So just start somewhere. You don't need the whole fancy laptop and the whole fancy setup and all of those. You don't need them. You just need to start, man. Start and know that it will take you. Know that it's gonna take you at least more than 4 years or 5 years or 10 years to be like a pro, with certifications right there. But yeah, I'm ready. I am ready, and you should be if you're really serious about hacking and cybersecurity, and you're really curious, man. How did they get into people's phones? How did they do all the fancy stuff you see on movies, man? So yeah, this is me. 8 months into cybersecurity, and this is 2024. So I'm giving myself about 3-4 years to be solid. I'm giving myself 3-4 years to be solid because I'm really putting in so much. I am really putting in so much, and I am really ready. And 8 months in feels like I don't know nothing about cybersecurity, about hacking in general, man. There's a lot, man. The field is so broad. It's a broad field, man. You have a lot to learn to start off somewhere. Basically, just pick up your phone, man. So you could start off with their basic websites where you could start off your fundamentals. There are there are a whole bunch of resources. There's Discord community to help you. I am here to help you, although I don't know much, but at least I'll help you start somewhere. If you don't have the money to start, you want to start off free and without the whole paying of $100. Anyways, let's leave that $100 shit for him. I ain't gonna pay $100. Anyways, I hope this video is helpful though, because I'm just on here. I'm really tired. I've been working on my laptop and been in cybersecurity, immense in cybersecurity for about 5 hours now. So I just wanted to come on here and say something to you guys, and this video is going to be coming up. I'm going to be making more videos documenting my journey to getting my Security Plus certification, which is not anytime soon, but yes, I am going to be documenting my journey up till there I can say yes, I'm there. So yeah, by the way, this video was, should I say inspired? Or should I say I was inspired by Cybermadi? She's on YouTube too. Basically, I think she's maybe better. I don't know. I'm not comparing. I'm just saying. Still, Cybermadi, thanks, man. TCM Academy. Thank you guys for just getting my brain to work, and your resources, they're really helpful. A lot. Anyways, peace out guys.